Hello everyone. If you didn't watch my previous tutorials, please watch them first, otherwise you could not understand what I am doing here. In this lesson, we will see how to set option for logo. Okay, this is our previous settings. Okay, open option, theme options, PHP file, add settings for logo image upload. Okay, this is our editor. Here, this part is sections part, which will available here. If you need, you can create multiple sections. For example, like this, I am just copying this, put a comma and paste it below. Instead of general, for example, this is slider section. This is slider. Save this. If you refresh, you can get these settings. Here is our slider. This is general part, general section. Here I am going to change for logo. Okay, this is our settings. This is our first setting. Instead of my text, I am going to use, this is our ID. We can use it our front end. Instead of logo or text, we are going to use upload logo. The type is upload, then only we can upload the image. Section is general. This is our general section. We don't want any choices, so I'm going to remove this, as well as remove this array. Instead of that, I'm going to put a single string. Okay, if I refresh again, you can find upload logo option. Okay, we will integrate this in the front end. Now open your header.php file. In the logo image section, we are going to set the default image setting as well as uploaded image setting. What I'm going to do is just copy the existing settings for our logo. Here I'm just copying this everything. In our header.php file, instead of our image source, I'm going to put this here. Okay, in this code, we are getting, if we are checking the function exists get option tree and the Femio logo, I mean this ID is set, we have already set here. This is our ID. We are going to echo the uploaded image here. Otherwise, if the uploaded ID image is not available, then we will echoing our default image path. Okay, the backup image. Okay, I'm just going to save this file. Now we will test it our front end. This is our black. I'm just going to refresh. It's taking the default path, default image. Suppose if I'm going to upload something, for example, if I'm upload this is our logo. If I refresh it again, it's changed. Okay, now I'm not going to set anything. So what I'm going to do is just remove this logo because I want the default image of a logo. Okay, that's all. I will see you in your next video, Bye for now. If you like this video and need more useful videos, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Bye for now.